Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the elbow grease. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. So yeah, let's get back into it. So today we'll be using elbow grease. We're going to be using it to clean this microwave. My microwave is really filthy, and honestly elbow grease just gets rid of all the grease that is actually in the microwave because I've not been closing it. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. So elbow grease is, I purchased this from Home Bargains and it's solvent free, and if you look on the back it tells you exactly where you can use elbow grease. But it's the bathroom, the kitchen, I tend to use it on especially on greasy places like the microwave. I use it everywhere else, like big bathrooms, like the tiles in the bathroom, the tiles in the kitchen. So today I'm going to specifically tackle the microwave. Yeah, as you can see, I've not been covering my food as I've been putting it in the microwave. Been quite a few busy couple of weeks and it's not had a clean for quite some time. And yes, we've not been closing any of our food at all. As you can see, I've got burnt on food, food splattered everywhere. Yeah, it actually does look quite disgusting. So what I tend to do is sometimes I tend to give my microwave a clean once or twice a week, but honestly this has not been cleaned for quite some time, quite a long time actually. So that's why it looks that bad. It's really bad. I didn't think it was going to be that bad, so yeah, excuse me. But yeah, let's just show you how I'm going to use the elbow grease to use it. And I'm going to use the sponge, the elbow grease sponge. So I'm just going to quickly turn the nozzle on and I'm going to spray it inside, especially the glass area. As you can see, this is how it starts working. It bubbles up and I'm just going to spray around and above the microwave. Yeah, it's quite a really great product, to be honest. I'm quite pleased with how it works. And then you just spray it and then you just leave it on for a few minutes, and that's when you start seeing like everything starts like melting off. I think melting off is the perfect word because everything's literally like loosening up, all the fatty food and fatty things that have been everywhere. And don't forget to clean the door. So I'm going to spray that, and it just bubbles up and it's got like a little citric smell to it. It's not a bad strong, it's a great, it's an okay smell. So as you can see, I've left it, leaving it for a few minutes, and it's just basically going to melt off all the greasy bits around the microwave. God, that looks really filthy. But yeah, it has, and as you can see, it's literally starting to melt off all the, it's like making it all quite crummy, but it's got like a bubbly substance to it, and shows you that it's actually working. And this is why I love this is why I love elbow grease. It's like works really fast, it's very effective, and it just works really well, especially on greasy parts. Today I'm just going to show you in the microwave, but I think I'll do the kitchen cooker and maybe the oven as well. So it's really great. I think it's also used on other products like around the house, like you can use it on doors, you can use it honestly on absolutely anything. All you have to do is just basically wipe it off. So what I've done is just started with it, and what they normally say is you should always remember the golden rule about the microwave, is to make sure that food should not be bubbling inside the microwave, like what I have accidentally done so many times, and other people in my household who use the microwave clearly have not been covering it. But yeah, please do subscribe to the channel if you're finding these videos to be quite informative and you are learning how to use all the products that I'm recommending. Let me know in the comment section below if you have used elbow grease and what you use it on. So I've left it again for a few more minutes. As you can see, everything's literally melted off. I'm just going to remove the glass part, and it's left like a little puddle, as you can see. I'm going to take the little elbow grease sponge scrub thing, and I'm just going to go into the corners of the microwave, actually all areas of the microwave, to really get all that dirt. As you can see, it's like literally like crumbs. It melts everything and makes it look all crummy. So really diving into that. It's a really fantastic product, honestly. You just, yeah, really using that sponge, which is also fantastic. I got this from Aldi, and fabulous, fabulous. It works really well, especially like on the hood of the cooker. I'm also going to spray it again, just to really get into that and scrub in. You don't really, what I love about the elbow grease sponge, it also works so effectively as well, because it just, you don't need to put too much effort, like you don't need to scrub hard basically. And I'm going to wash the glass part of the microwave. Again, using the sponge, I've sprayed the glass, and as you can see, I'm going to go back in to the microwave. So you can see all the bits are literally sticking to the elbow grease sponge, and some of the things are just, yeah, that's really disgusting. So you use the back side, so the front part of the elbow grease sponge, it's like soft, and then the other part is used for scrubbing, which I think is a fabulous, fabulous idea. It's a really great idea to do that, to be honest. Please clean your microwave quite often, and yeah, don't do what I've done. And you know, it's really important to clean your microwave, because you know, germs need warm food and moisture to multiply. So it's great to clean your microwave at least once or twice a week, and just, yeah, keep things clean. So I'm really, really pleased with that. As you can see, given everything a quick wipe, it's dry now. I'm just showing you how effective elbow grease was. You know, really great product, and everything looks clean. It smells clean. It's got like a citrusy smell. There's no greasy bits left, and I'm just showing you the inside. But as you can see, it looks absolutely fabulous. So elbow grease, go get it at the shops, Home Bargains, B&M. You can even check it on Amazon. You can purchase this. It's great for plastics, metals around your house. So look out for more reviews. If you really enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what else you would like to see. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video. You have a lovely day. Bye.